What's up, everyone? This is your boy Terry speaking from the garage shop again. Here to offer some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah, this is going to be a nice quick short one. Now, I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of questions about Trailblazer SS, the project, and everything like that, which keep them coming. I love them. Keep them coming. Now, lately, I've been getting tons of questions about a valve vent solenoid. And, you know, I know what it is, but I didn't know that this was a common problem with the Trailblazer SSs. You know, some people tell me they've been experiencing a PO455 code, a PO449 code, or either a I think it's a 442 code. And, you know, this has been a problem. So I go to the internet and I'm like, well, let's see what this vent solenoid is, because I'm not getting any codes on my truck. So basically, the vent solenoid is part of the emission system that, you know, you're going to find on most later vehicles. So I was looking at some of the symptoms of what these codes were. And I noticed one symptom that I'm having. So tell you a story real quick, because I like telling stories. I'm at the gas station. Now, I noticed this before, but I didn't think nothing of it. I put gas in and it's not full, but the pump will click off like it is full. You look at the gauge, still got a half tank. So you keep on putting it in and it keeps on clicking off. And I didn't think nothing of it, but the more and more I did it, it's been going on for a while. So it's starting to be a point where it's like annoying, because, you know, it's almost like, because you know when you're drag racing and you got to find that sweet spot, you know, like before your wheels break and before you grab traction, you know, you got to kind of, feather the gas a little bit. And then once you find where, okay, the spot where the wheels aren't breaking loose anymore and the car is actually picking up traction, that's basically what I had to do with the gas pump. I had to feather the nozzle to the point where the gas was pretty much dripping into the tank. Now, it's a venting problem, which I know, where it could be a number of things. This is a common problem on Trailblazer SSs, which I'm finding out. So what I did was I went and I got me an AC Delco vent solenoid. Hopefully this solved the problem, you know, and get rid of the codes. But what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna install it. We're gonna get up under the truck. You hear me? Get up under the truck. We're gonna get under the truck and we're gonna plug this in. I'm gonna show you where it's at, and I'm gonna show you how to take it out, and hopefully this will rectify my nozzle feathering problem. Like, man, feathering, gotta let it get drip, 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 pop, drip, 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 pop. Enough of that. So let's put this in. All right. So if you're looking, there's a drive shaft. We're in the rear right here. This is a diff. Now, right above the fuel tank, there's the culprit right there. One sec. Let's get a better shot. You see it right there? That's it. So we got to remove that and replace it with the brand new vent solenoid. There's a connector on it, which I'll show you how to loosen that connector when we get back up where I spotlight these parts. This is the old one. Let me give you a quick tip real quick, because most of the tubes are going to be similar to this. All right, now you're going to see this. Now, what basically this does is almost like, well, it's a quick disconnect. So you put it in, well, hold on a sec, that thing comes out. But, you know, so to release it, you got to push on the black piece. On the bigger ones, they're beige, or whatever color they are, you push on it, and you're going to have to wiggle it to get it out. This is because there's probably no lubricant on it, because I like anti-seize, so when I put it back, I put anti-seize on everything. But you're going to have to wiggle it, and that's the problem, because sometimes you don't have that much room to wiggle this thing, and you're going to make sure that it comes out. So when you replace it, you got a big one of these that you have to push to release this one little piece, and then you just make the connector back and you're pretty much done. After finagling with it for about 20 minutes, as you can see, the new one's in there and all the connections have been reestablished, and that's pretty much it. This was a chore. Now, your boy's not going to lie to you. This wasn't as simple as people online make it seem to be. It's going to be a little bit of a, not that it can be done, but you're going to spend a little time with it, because you're going to have some tubes, some of these emissions tubes that are, you know, pretty much stuck on. So there you have it. Hope this helps you out if you're getting one of these weird codes, or if you know, throttling the fuel pump, and maybe just replacing this simple little thing could result in fixing that issue. All right, but as always, you know I'm looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling. It's time for me to head on off and get back to doing some more stuff. And like I said before, you gotta subscribe, and you gotta punch that, just punch the bell just one time for me. It'll make me so happy. That way you'll get notified whenever Coverman66 puts out more videos, and I'm gonna be putting a lot more videos out. I got a lot of stuff going on here, and I want you to be part of it because it's only right that you are, because if it wasn't for you guys, this wouldn't be happening. So join me, all right? But as always, please be wonderful and be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.